What are the healthiest nuts for weight loss? Nuts are commonly known to be high in calories. However, eating nuts like pecans in moderation may aid in weight loss because they help tide your cravings between meals. Here are some of the more popular nuts that help as a snack to lose weight. Pecans contain vitamins and minerals that help with weight loss, such as vitamin E, zinc, and magnesium. Vitamin E increases the body's metabolism by increasing the availability of oxygen to our cells. Zinc aids the metabolizing of sugar, preventing the buildup of fat. Magnesium supports the conversion of glucose to energy, keeping our blood sugar low. Walnuts contain omega-3 fatty acids and plant sterols that suppresses our appetite. A study in 2017 concluded that eating a walnut-enriched diet promotes weight loss that is comparable to a standard reduced energy density diet. Almonds are high in fat, so how does it actually help with weight loss? Research has proven that participants of the almond diet showed a high percentage of weight loss compared to those that are on a non-almond diet. The possible reason is that fats in almond may not be completely absorbed, and thanks to the high fat content in almonds, it keeps us feeling fuller. If you are looking for a low-calorie snack, pistachios are a great choice. They are high in fiber and helps increase your satiety. Moreover, eating while shelling pistachios reminds you of how much you have eaten, making it easier to control portion sizes. Nuts are a great source of vitamins and minerals for a healthy diet. More specifically, pecans, walnuts, almonds, and pistachios are all good nuts for weight loss. To order top-quality pecans from Milliken Pecans Company, go to millikenpecans.com today.